This is part number 4 for the Vice project. So it's made out of a little piece of square sectioned aluminium. This has 3 views of the same piece. So this is the elevation, the plan and the end view. So if we look, there's the profile there. That's looking straight at the front. And this one, if you roll it, should be looking down at the top. Okay, so there's 3 holes to be drilled, 2 in the face, 1 on the top. Okay, and these dashed lines are just showing the hole going through from a different angle. Okay, all these have to be threaded M5, so we're going to have to drill them 4.2. The profile is 10 wide and 10 high. The holes are along the middle, so we're going to have to draw lines all the way across at 5 millimeters. So I'm going to use the Jenny calipers for that. So I'm going to get the rule, get the Jenny caliper, set it to 5. Okay, so all the way along this edge then, just going to draw a line 5 away from the edge here, and then I'm going to turn it over, draw 5 away from the edge here. Okay, so you can see those lines. I'll just go over those with the ruler just to make them a little bit clearer. Okay, so in this face we'll have 2 holes. Okay, now the total length of this workpiece, we have to get 5 plus 12 plus 12 plus 5. So 12 and 12 is 24, 5 and 5 is 10, so 24 and 10 is 34. So we can see that this is exactly 34. Okay, but even though it's exactly the right size, we still want to take all our measurements from one side. So I'm going to set this as my datum corner. Okay, the reason we do that is these 2 holes, being 24 apart, are going to have to line up with another part. In this case it's the part 7 here. So the distance between these 2 holes is 24. So we have to make sure that these 2 holes line up with these 2. Alright, so the first hole there from the right hand side is in 5. Okay, so I still have my Jenny caliper set at 5, so I'm just going to draw a little line here. Okay, that's going to be for the first hole. Okay, the next hole in the middle is on the other edge. Okay, it's on this side here. Alright, so I'm going to measure in 5 plus 12. So 5 plus 12 is 17. That's 17. So again, I'm measuring from this side. There's a line there. So that's for this one. And then I have to flip back for this side. So 5 plus 12 plus 12. So 24 plus 5 is 29. So 29 again from that side. Okay. So I have those 2 marks for this side, and then I have this mark here for this one. Okay, all that has to be done then is those little marks have to be dot punched and drilled. So it says M5, which means they have to be threaded. I have 5 millimeter thread, so we drill them 4.2, and then we tap them with the M5 tap. Okay, and that is that piece done.